For this assignment, our team was presented a problem from which we identified customer groups and ultimately a customer profile who represented the best opportunity to develop a marketing strategy for. The problem statement is some companies within the US use substantial amounts of fresh water in their operations and face a problem of having a consistent supply of fresh water that is safe to use. From that problem statement, we identify beverage companies as a group who share the defined problem. Beverage companies are organizations like PepsiCo and Coca-Cola who share this problem and would find a solution important because without the natural resource of water, they have no final product and therefore no business. The specific concerns they have are product, sales, and profitability to meet demand and stay competitive. The attributes these companies share are similar revenue, with Coca-Cola at 45 billion and PepsiCo at 93 billion. Other shared attributes include industry and the value of bringing tradition and consistent taste to customers. This group will be a good fit for our team to address because they have the need and financial capital to work towards a solution.
In the dynamic world of agriculture, Cargill and ADM stand out as major players facing a shared challenge. The looming threat of water scarcity jeopardizing their crop growth, production, and sales. Common attributes of each company, of course, a massive workforce, with Cargill at 156,000 employees and over 114 billion in annual revenue, and ADM with 32,300 employees and over 60 billion in revenue. By the meeting, both have, of course, the importance of solving the problem of meeting sales goals, maintaining competitiveness, and satisfying shareholders. How this is relevant to our company is that it aligns our company with the expertise to offer sustainable solutions, particularly in water stewardship. And it's a strategic fit by providing innovative technologies, practices to ensure community continuity for Cargill and ADM and overall contributing to their long-term success.
Now let's look at the criteria used for the decision matrix: revenue, market size, resources authority, environmental impact, water need. We chose revenue for the profitability and growth. We chose market size because this is a key indicator in societal and market impact and market needs. We chose resources and authority because we felt like this is a great indicator of the group's opportunity to pursue the solution. We chose environmental impact because this shows which group has a high sustained value for society as a whole. And we chose water need because we need to know how important is the use of water in their products. This is how we curated our decision matrix. We gave rankings 1 to 5, with 1 having small value and 5 being of the highest value. We compared total revenue between both groups on the previous slides to determine our rankings. Customer group number 2 has a bigger market size. Customer group number 1 are owned by conglomerates, and thus they have more authority compared to customer group number 2, who are spread out between small businesses and subsidiaries. We found customer group number 2 of having the higher impact, as they need water for farming purposes and for their livestock. For the water need, we found that 80% of the agricultural market in the US uses fresh water, and this will be heavily affected by the second customer group. So in the end, we found that customer group number 2 is a customer profile that will represent the opportunity to develop a marketing strategy for.
Throughout this week's presentation, our focus remained on the end user, guided closely by the rubric. Commencing with a class discussion on Tuesday, we prioritized understanding the problem's impact on the end user by placing ourselves in their shoes to grasp their pain points. The pivotal tool in our analysis was the customer profile checklist, prompting a thorough 2-night team discussion swinging between considering the customers of the company and the company itself as the customer. Eventually, we hone in on PepsiCo and Coca-Cola, Cargill, and ADM as our customers by recognizing that they have a shared challenge of water scarcity. Our approach in presenting findings emphasized on our understanding of the decision matrix, with a keen focus on what creates long-term value for both the organization and the customers. One of our biggest contributing factors in each category with the decision matrix was its impact on overall society and the production process altogether. that impacts the customer.